Today's day is extremely telling about where the scale of justice tilts in India. For justice in a democracy must not just be done, it must also be seen to be done. And I have no doubt in saying that what the Delhi High Court has done today in the Sengar case is not just a travesty of justice, in my view, but it would also give extremely wrong impression to people who would want to believe in the judiciary. Ladies and gentlemen, today is a day when a convicted rapist, a very powerful rapist, a very influential rapist, a very connected rapist called Kuldeep Singh Sengar, ex-BJP MLA, extremely well-connected, notorious, powerful man's life sentence, has surprisingly been suspended by the Delhi High Court. I want to repeat, this man is convicted, not accused. And the Delhi High Court suspends his life sentence. What a mockery of justice. What message is the judiciary, the higher judiciary, the appellate courts, what message are they sending to the people of India? And why is the rest of the media quiet about these things? Surprisingly, today is also a day when the Supreme Court of India has disposed of the Sandesara matter, the matter of corruption against the Sandesara brothers, who paid a total sum, ladies and gentlemen, of 5,000 crore rupees plus as a deposit, as a measure of abundant caution, and the criminal charges against them are gone. So if you're rich, you get away. If you're powerful, you get away. You have way and leeway in this country if you're rich and if you're powerful. I'd like to go back to the visuals of the Sengar case. And let me tell you, in this case, where there is a rape that has occurred, where this man has carried out an act of rape on June 4th, 2017. This case gains attention after the victim attempts self-immolation on April 8, 2018, because she is tired of knocking on every possible door. On April 3rd, 2018, this man, Sengar's aides, including his brother, beat the victim's father with sticks and lathis. So he carries out an act of rape. He is arrested. After that, the father is arrested, and the father of the victim dies in judicial custody on April 9, 2018. What is worse, on July 28, 2019, the victim, her lawyer, and two aunts suffer severe injuries when a truck rams their car 11 times. In a murderous attempt, two of her aunts die. The rape survivor's mother, grandmother, and survivor herself wrote letters to the Chief Justice of India and the governor asking for justice. All of these things have happened. It is not a case of injustice, it is of aggravated injustice. And in this country, you would believe that the courts would come to the defense of the victim. But in our country, a division bench comprising Justice Subramaniam Prasad and Justice Harish Vaidyanathan Shankar said that in this case, they suspend the life sentence of Kuldeep Singh Sengar with a warning not to come within 5 kilometers of the residence of the victim and not threaten the mother of the victim, which means the court is almost entirely trusting the moral compass of a politician called Kuldeep Singh Sengar, who is convicted of rape and murder, and is advising the person, don't hurt the victim any further. I want to ask the honorable courts, we respect the fact that you've given a verdict, but we completely disagree with it. We believe that in cases like that of Kuldeep Singh Sengar, the toughest of examples should be set. We must not forget, honorable judges, the promises that were made to the people of India following the Nirbhaya case. And today, Nirbhaya's mother herself came and said she was appalled by this.
ये तो एक रूल नया बनाया जा रहा है, जैसे कि और जेल में है वो भी कहेंगे कि हमको फांसी की सजा हुई है तो उसको खत्म करके फिर सुनवाई की जाए, तो ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. पता न कौन से कोर्ट कहां से हो रहा है ऐसे, ये तो पहले बार ऐसा हो रहा है.
The problem in our country is we believe that public memory is short. But here on Republic, we are here to remind both the politicians as well as the judiciary of their responsibility to the people of India. Republic is with the people. Republic is with the public. I hope this decisions of the Delhi High Court today gets overturned by a higher court. I wish courage to the victims and her families to fight this long battle. We are with those who have been targeted by the politicians. We are against this verdict, both in its letter and in its spirit. Does not mean it won't be followed, it will be followed. But this is not right. Just not right.